Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And yeah, let's just get into it because I gotta go to work soon. But yeah, right now it looks like we're fighting again. We're back into this never-ending pattern of where we just trade around this area again. And honestly, something's gonna happen soon because we are reaching the end of the triangle. Literally, there's no way we can stretch this thing out. Some people keep redrawing it and redrawing it and redrawing it, and that's just like it's not gonna work like that anymore. This thing is coming to an end, and we're gonna have to make a trade soon. Right now, I am in the short from 36,600. I'm just hoping for like a wick down, maybe so I could break even right now, because I don't really know anymore where it's going. I thought we were going to bounce yesterday as we got like this big rejection. And then we got some support around this area again, around the 3,600, and then we just went back up. So it's pretty indecisive at this point. We could look like on the larger time frames on Market Cipher. We could see that we have some bullish numbers right now. The VWAP's already extended out already. Money flow still in the red, so I wouldn't like bank on like the price skyrocketing. We could see like on the 4-hour. It's already running out of steam. We had a little dip yesterday, but we're still like bullish on the 4-hour because the EMA is reversed. We can even go look at the regular EMA ribbons. Let's go right here on the 4-hour, and then just pull out all the EMA ribbons right here. There you go. And you can see that we are starting to cross right now. So maybe a little dip down to 36,300 would be possible. And then we could probably break even on our trade at the moment. But I'm not too worried about it. It's a very low leverage, and it's not much of the account. And yeah, something else I want to talk about is like the stock market. And wow, we just had a nice little dip right now. Reduced my loss of reduced my little loss of my short right now. I currently have a short of 42.30, and now we're at 42.36. It's good. I hope it keeps dropping. We could see like on the TA chart right here that I have. We are reaching the end of the rising wedge that I've drawn. Oops, that's the wrong one. That's the SPY. There we go. That was the top right here. We did make a new high, but it looks like we're getting rejected right now. I'm hoping it dips back down, maybe to 4,200, and now maybe I'll take some profits on my trade because I'm not too sure where it's going right now, but we will see. It's looking pretty good right now. I hope it keeps dipping. Something that we talked about at the beginning of the month, around 10 days ago, was that we had a monthly red dot on the Market Cipher for this thing, and that's kind of why I entered my trade. But now the red dot is gone. But it doesn't mean it can't come back, right? The market can still dip, and it can still come back, and we can still make some profit. So I still have my short open at 42.30. It was 42.10, but I added some more to raise the average price to 42.30. So now we're at 42.30 on our short, and we're down about 1,390 Canadian. No biggie at the moment. So we'll just keep an eye on that. And right now, see that the hash ribbons they're still crossed. They haven't recrossed yet. They're actually expanding like a lot right now, and we've seen that before. When they open up like this, but we really want to see this buy signal before I add more to my Bitcoin positions. And yeah, look, price is just kind of like in a limbo right now. We did talk about the Wyckoff pattern yesterday. We'll see if that holds true. Right now, we still have we have a lot of resistance to break through right now. When we go look at the Bitcoin chart right here, there's a significant amount of resistance above us. We have the $40,000 level, which we've been rejected there many times, and then we have the 46 to 47, and then we got the 51 to 52, and then we have psychological levels like 50,000 and 60,000, and then we have some resistance up here, but it's not too much. But we will see. We will see what happens. Yeah. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Oh, and I want to talk about ETH too, because I always forget to talk about Ethereum, and it's also like a really really good crypto to trade. So we can see right now on the 4-hour, we may be forming a nice little W on the 4-hour, which maybe you could probably have some potential longs here, but we'll keep an eye on that. Right now, that's pretty good, but the money flow is decreasing, but VWAP's coming back up. You could look on a daily too on larger time frames. You always want to look at the large time frames. Oh yeah, it doesn't look like we've bottomed out yet on the daily, so just be mindful of that. And yeah, on the 1-hour, looks like it's going to start coming back down, maybe reversing. Yeah, no, sorry, it's already reversed from the this little uptrend we had here, but it might start to come down at this point. We'll see. We still had, we had that daily red diamond on the Ethereum, so it can't be good news, but the daily red diamonds, I've never seen one of those before, and they may take a long time to play out. They could just trend here for a couple of days and then have a huge dip. So just we'll keep an eye on that. And honestly, if Bitcoin dips, great, we get an even bigger buying opportunity. Now you've seen what Bitcoin can do, right? Look at this massive run up we've had. You can see that, if you bought here, you're like, oh wow, it only went up 30%, but you held, right? Because that's the whole idea behind Bitcoin. Hold. It would have made 842%. If you traded this on leverage, you could have made amazing gains, right? That's what it really is about, right? You want to have a long-term perspective on Bitcoin, right? Because when you look at the data, the economic data, you see how much inflation there is. You see how much money that the government is printing. Right? We can look at the M1 money supply once again. We always want to look at that. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one right now. This is the what is this? What chart is this? This is my stock chart. So we'll just leave it on stocks, but we'll go look at, there we go, the M1 money supply right here. That's and then they stop sharing the data. It just shows how fraudulent it is. And then they call El Salvador one of the most fraudulent countries in the world, and that's why they're adopting Bitcoins, because they want to commit fraud. Well, look at what they're doing. They stop sharing the data, and right when it starts to shit, pardon my French, but when shit hits the fan, and then these guys stop sharing the data because they're scared of what they're doing. They don't even know what they're doing. And when this this inflation genie gets out the bottle, it's going to ruin the entire economy. So just buy real assets and inflationary hedging assets like Bitcoin and gold, silver. It's not financial advice, but it's just my opinion. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy the content, and if you want to sign up for Bybit or any other exchange BlockFi to save, because I use BlockFi and it's amazing for you to earn passive income on your crypto that you're storing for the long term. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Peace.